You cleaned everything in your house, yet it still feels heavy. Why does that happen? The space absorbs energy. It could be the fights, the grief, the loss, the emotions that you're feeling. It absorbs that as well. So instead of just cleaning, this time do this one thing as well. Ring the bells in your main room, in all the corners of your main room, and do it consciously and slowly. And while doing that, feel the energy lighten and see how you feel after that. After doing this, do let us know in the comment section. If you follow us, we'll meet again. Until then, Hari Om Tat Sat, Agya Dehi.